Hello everyone and welcome you all to the last chapter of Adobe InDesign tutorial. So here in this last class, I'll be telling you guys about how you can create a own book cover, okay? Like how you can import a particular image, then put those text frames, put up the logo, put up a QR code bar, and also set up a brief summary where you'll be using the character style as well. Okay, so let's learn how to make a book cover. So let's get started with this particular tutorial. So here again, now I'm back at the workspace, and for creating a book cover, first I need to select a project or a new document here. Okay, so how I want my new document, let's try to see the preview from here. Okay, so I'll on the preview, and as I do have this, what I will do is I'll have two columns. Okay, so as you can see, two columns, but what I'll do is I'll increase the column gutter in between. Okay, so from here I have increased the column gutter is also fine. I'll also increase the bleed. Okay, I increase the bleed as well, and the margin, maybe I will decrease the margin. Okay, and now this is okay, and I can start creating my page here. Okay, so now as you can see, I am in my workspace, and here I do have this particular page here. Okay, so this is going to be the spine of my book, and here I'll be writing the title of the book, the author name. Here I'll be writing the author name or the title. Here I will have a small summary. I'll have the acknowledgement, the barcode, and so many things. So we'll see about all that. The first thing which we need to do for that is select an image or just upload an image from here. So the simplest way is to drag and drop, as we already know. Okay, so for that, what I am going to choose is I'll take this image, drag and drop this one, and select this. And now I will select this image here. Okay, so let me take this image from here, as you can see. Okay, I will decrease the size a little bit, and using Control Shift, I will decrease. No, if I want to decrease the size, I can decrease it from here, but it won't be proportional. Okay, but it doesn't look that bad as well. Okay, so basically we can start working here. So this is going to be the book cover for my book. So this is how I can import the image at first. Okay, so let me just zoom in here. Okay, so this is the place where I'll be working first. Okay, so take my text box and I will create a text box here. So here I do have my text box, and I will write down a text. Okay, so what can be the title of my book? Okay, so it will be The Last Summer Ride. Okay, so I have just chosen a random topic here, and now basically I can increase the size of this one, and yes, this is correct. And now what I want to do is I want to bring this one it in the center. Okay, so for that I'll do this, and I can also change the color. So maybe let me take a different color. So from here, I can choose a different set of colors. So if I take a red one, I need to see how it actually looks. Not bad. And with my selection tool, I can just decrease this one. And now the title of my book is The Last Summer Ride. Okay, not a bad title, I do believe. Okay, and now I'll be adding a short subtitle for this particular book. So for that, again, I'll come here and I will create a small box here. Okay, so maybe I'll write. So for this, I'll put here freedom, exploration, exploration, and nostalgia. Okay, so this is just going to be my subtopic. Okay, I will also increase the size maybe little less, and I will keep this one in between my quotations. Okay, so I'll keep this one here, select this and keep this in the center. Okay, and now with my selection tool, I will just take this one, and now I will change the font size from here. Okay, so I'll take this Algerian, and also I will change the color. Okay, so just let me take a deep black color. So this is my topic, and this one is going to be my subtopic. Okay, and now here I will be explaining, or I'll be telling the writer name. Okay, so for that I will have to create another box. So for that I will make another box here. So with this I can actually change this one, come to the text option here, and I can just do written by Bob Adams. Okay, so I can just write this, and now I can also increase the size of the font from here. Okay, so as I do have this one, now select this. So I can take my box anywhere. Okay, and now I'll select this whole text down, keep this in the center, and after that what I'll do is I can also change the color, or the main thing is that I need to change the font. Okay, so I'll select this, maybe a different color. Okay, so maybe something lighter. Click on OK, and yes, I do have this one here. So I can also change its positioning. Suppose if I want to put this in here or here, I can put that, but this color doesn't go that nicely with this text. Okay, so maybe I'll choose something in dark. Maybe a dark blue will be fine. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Okay, so now my first page, or the front page for my book, is done. As you guys can see, I'm just trying to take this, or just adjust the positioning of all this. Okay, so I'm done with the first page here, and now I'll move here. Okay, So what I want to do is I want to copy this one here and I want to paste it here. Okay. So I can take down this here. Okay. The same thing. And now what I'll be doing is I'll take another text box here and I will keep an acknowledgement. Okay. Or the summary. So here I will put acknowledgement. So I won't be putting anything by my own. I'll just put the placeholder text and maybe I'll give a color to this placeholder text. So from here I will come and maybe I'll choose something in green. I'll click this one and here I do have this one in green. And I have selected this one from here. Uh, the green color doesn't look that great. Black will be fine, I guess. Okay, so I have chose the black one. So from here, I will keep this one in the middle. And now here I will put quotation mark. And at the end of this one also, I'll put up a quotation mark. Okay, so if I click on enter, suppose if I select this one and now if I select this image here, come to this text option, and now if I want to mention someone, okay, suppose here I do have my cursor. Now I'll click on enter, and now what I'll be doing is I want to type a name. Okay, Raymond, Raymond Arthur. Okay, and I want to highlight this particular name. So now what I can do is I can select this one. I can actually increase the name and also give up a different color for this one. Okay, so maybe this color will be fine. Okay, I can take a dark blue or change the color. I didn't like this one much. So let me check what all colors I do have. I can take this or it will just, so I'll take this only. Okay, so I do have this one in red. So now I do have the acknowledgement page as well. Okay, so this part is done. And now here you guys can actually write or take a text frame. And here you guys can write like published by XYZ publication. Select this, put up different color, and you can select a different frame as well from here. Okay, so this is done. And now one last thing which is left is I want to import a QR code. Okay, so I had downloaded a QR code from here. So I can just drag this one here. I need to just decrease the size of the QR. Okay, so I have just put that in the background. So I need to do that first. Come here, decrease the size, just go back. And yes, from here again, I'll start. Okay, so I do have this image. So I want to bring this. So as I'm having a problem, like the whole image is coming here. Okay, so there is another way of putting the image. Come here on the file option, go to place, which is Control plus D. And after that, select this one, open, and here now you can see it's on your cursor. Now make a box from here, and here you have your QR as well. Okay, and you can position it according to the way you want. And now the same way I will place a logo. So now I do have this, and now I want to put up a logo which I downloaded. So where did I keep that logo? So here I do have a Squid Game logo, but I'm not able to find that one. Okay, I do have this here, open, or here I do have it on my screen. So I can just take this logo from here and I can put this here. Okay, so this is how we can actually create our own book cover. So I hope this class was helpful, and now you guys can make your own book cover. And if you keep on trying or keep on doing it regularly, you guys will become a pro and you guys will have a great understanding about designing as well. So till then, take care everyone, and hope this tutorial, the whole thing was helpful for you all. You guys have got to understand and got to know about Adobe InDesign, and I'll be waiting for you guys to send me all of your project work. I have gave you guys two class project, okay? So I hope you guys submit those in our project panel. Till then, take care everyone, and keep on practicing Adobe InDesign. Okay, bye bye.